Today I am talking about Tesla stocks. Here you can see the stocks make how much return. This stocks price approximately $328. This stocks return which is 3% positive. In the last 5 days these stocks make approximately more than 5% return. In the last 1 month these stocks lose market valuation which is 19%, which is very poor return. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. So here you can see these stocks make how much return, lose money, how much lose market valuation. In the last 1 year these stocks lose 0% market valuation. But if you see the last 5 years these stocks make only 41% gain. In the maximum return these stocks make 255x return. 2000, not, these stocks make 25,000% return, which is good. But at this moment these stocks are resting mode. So here you can see, and these stocks market valuation you can see. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing and follow for more US stocks breakdown.